Hey everybody, it's Tammy here at Oviedo Chrysler Dodge Jeep Ram, and I have something to show you. But first, check out this.
This was the original Jeep Wagoneer, first produced in 1962 for the 1963 model year. The 63 Wagoneer introduced several innovative features for its time, including independent front suspension and an automatic transmission, setting a new standard for SUVs to come and the reason why we have luxury SUVs today.
So 61 years later, let's check out the Grand Wagoneer. Now the first thing you're going to notice is that it doesn't say Jeep. It says Grand Wagoneer. One of my favorite features is this giant panoramic roof. Adjustable headrest, and the seats are heated and ventilated with 5 levels of massage. Exactly what you need after a long day at work. Okay, cut. I'm just gonna sit here for a little bit. There's a passenger screen, the touch screen here, another touch screen, oh, and a hidden compartment. Shh, don't tell anyone. Right here in the middle, moms, you're gonna love this. There's storage with a cooler. Perfect for those summer play days. Ladies, remember when we were told that the best part of the vehicle was the mirror behind the visor? There's a rearview mirror, a digital mirror, the sunglass holder doubles as an interior mirror, and there's still this mirror. There's a heads-up display, there's a digital display, and a super convenient feature. If I press this button right here, it will actually drive for me on the highway. Now I can focus on more important things like finding the right music. To help keep your sanity, there's a built-in visor in the back for the kids. There's built-in screens where you can easily install Netflix, YouTube, and Disney+. Touchscreen back here to control the air. More storage under here. More storage in the middle. It's pretty deep too. And then on top, a little bit more storage. I don't want to charge my phone here though. Oh, and I'm not done. Look, I'm 5'8" in the third row. This seat is pushed all the way back. And look how much space I have. I mean, I could practically do yoga back here. And in the third row, I have my own vent, charging port, a little bit of storage, and a cup holder. Oh yeah, there's a moonroof back here too. Now I need my shades again. And if you press this button right here, the chair reclines. With all the seats down, look at all this space. You have enough room here to go grocery shopping for a small army, or hungry teenagers, or if you're like me, you just want a nice quiet place to get away from the kids and take a nap. Speaking of kids, I almost forgot. There's a camera right here, so you can keep an eye on your little monsters. I mean little angels. So stop by Oviedo Chrysler Dodge Jeep Ram today. Check out the Wagoneers. Okay, it's hot. I'm going in.